Good morning, instrument engineers. Welcome to my channel. So, today I'm going to be speaking to you something about very important, that is like a best practices, more or less, which I have found in my experience works very well. And this has to do with interdisciplinary check, or what you call as IDC. So interdisciplinary check is very, very crucial. Let it be PMC, let it be EPC, feed, any stage, isn't it? And since we instrument engineers deal with process piping dominantly for all our instrumentation, field instrumentation work, here's some guidelines to follow, especially for all the data sheets, instrument data sheets. So you have got a section for process, you've got a section for piping, you've got a line number, you've got a line class, and the complete process data, pressure, flow, temperature, whatever, specific gravity, as the case may be. So how do you deal with this on an ongoing basis? My suggestion is the following. When you make your instrument data sheets, you borrow some process data from the process, isn't it? Based on their latest publication of process data sheet for whatever it is, line, vessel, whatever. So what I suggest you do is always IDC or interdisciplinary check your instrument data sheets before publishing it. Every revision, send it to process. Tell them to vet the data sheet. Why? Because process on their side is doing their own simulations and constantly improving based on whatever their discussions are, isn't it? With the client and so on. So process data might have changed. Your parameters, basic parameters of any parameter, pressure level, temperature, flow, whatever it is, it might change. And you don't know that because you're working in the instrument department. So please take care of IDCing your instrument data sheet before you issue it with the process. Let them say this is all okay. Just the process part. If you want to go ahead and give it to piping, especially when it comes to valves, that's also good practice. And also a good practice is to write at the bottom of every valve data sheet. This I've seen so much missing. Every valve, shutdown valve, control valve, safety valve, I don't care which valve you want. Just put the piping material specification in the piping valve data sheet as a reference without revision marking, because they'll keep revising. Tell them to take the latest piping material spec. Why? Because the piping material is very detailed. That much you can't mention in instrument data sheets. Okay? Take care of this. As an end note, I have left lots of my shared files on my YouTube channel in the community post. You might download it free if you want. These are old files which are useful for you. Take care.